All right, so we're going to talk about lists. First, let's say you're writing a program and you have a bunch of variables that are very similar. Let's say you want to have a variable called animal1 and it stores dog, 2 cat, 3 mouse, 4 cow, and 5 pig. And you're just storing all these animals. Now, these are 5 different variables, right? And you may notice that they have something very similar. They're all animals. And if you're going through and just listing the animals out, you can actually save space here. Instead of creating different separate variables, you can create something called a list, right? So what you would do is, just like how you start off a variable, right, and you name it, you're going to name a list as well. So let's just call this list animals, right? Then I'm going to use these square brackets, okay? And inside these square brackets, that's where I'm going to list my items, okay? So you have to use square brackets. And I'll say dog, and then cat. What are the other ones I used? Mouse, cow, and the last one, I'll say pig. Okay, so all of these animals are stored inside a list, and lists start off with square brackets and they're separated by commas. Okay, and then each item or element in the list is inside parentheses, inside quotation marks. Sorry. So if I go through and let's say I want to print all the items in this list, print animals, right? Do that. And it goes through and lists every single animal that's in this list instead of having separate variables. And it's an easy way of storing items.